Hola, senor good peoples. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Órale, we got some taco specials today. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. I'm mukbanging on some tacos. Do you like my big juicy taco? Look at my taco. Do you want to eat my taco? Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. You're going to see Big Finley. He's going to be munching on them tacos. We went to Taco Hell. That's what I said. It's not Bell. Because it's going to be hell of a day. It's going to be, can't be talking like that. I got to crash some tacos. I ain't got no enchiladas, no burritos. Nothing but tacos. I got one chicken taco. The rest is just regular crunchy, y'all. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. That's what Big Finley gonna do his thing. I'm thinking about Premier Hale. That's what I'm talking about. Premier Hale. Do y'all know Premier Hale? Premier Hale is my brother. Premier Hale likes some tacos. So you know what? We're gonna get into the tacos. I must have some Diablo sauce. I always make my videos at night because I be working at nighttime. I creep around the streets. What is these people? I see people coming. No, nobody's coming. I don't want nobody to steal my tacos. Okay, we got a crunchy taco. It comes from Taco Hell. I don't get no good tacos today. I got the other ones. These are the ones that are made by white people. I didn't go to see my peoples today to get in those tacos. It's a pretty good taco. Maybe it's too little to put on my head. I like this one. This one here is very yummy. It's a big taco. We got in some lettuce, some cheese. I put in some Diablo sauce. Do you people like it as some Diablo? Yes? Diablo. What did the Packer say? Always the plan. Always the plan for what? To burn you tummy? I don't know, but I think it's yummy. I think I should toss some tacos right now. Very yummy. The white people making pretty good tacos tonight. I want to give a big shout out to White Warriors Path from Canada. I want to give another shout out to Willie Wheel Eats. See, Willie Wheel, I got up at your live stream because last time I was trying to get in some mukbang, I stayed in there and my food was cold. I have hot food. Ha ha ha, Willie Wheel. I want to say hi to my friend. Eat with Fifi. Hi, Fifi. I cannot forget about my sister in Georgia. Mama TK's Refuse. If you don't know the Mama TK's Refuse, go check her out. And let's to my good friend, Aussie Outlaw. Good day, mate. Hey, tacos for you. Exploring Ginger. Exploring Ginger. I got it the head. I got it the tacos, Ginger. Most delicious for white people tacos. Mmm. I needed the little napkin. Phoebers and Sissy! I hitting the tacos. You like my hat, Phoebers and Sissy? How are you doing, Phoebers and Sissy? Mama Q, welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. You seen Philly smash one taco. Now I got a chicken taco. I hope it's all dead, y'all. I don't want to unwrap it. I'm afraid it's going to fly away. It's not going to get too far because I got my windows rolled up. Then I'm going to get it. I'm going to smash that taco if it tries to fly away. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Órale, que sienta Roma Yajima. I got it in chicken. I only got one. I share it with juice right now. Oh, you know why? I'm not giving you no bites. To all of my peoples, look at it. Oh, it's on the flour? There's not more stuff in there. Look at that. The white people chip me on my chicken. Bossy, how you doing, Bossy? Andrew Fishman? What's up? I don't get it very much chicken. That's a ripoff. Making me a sad Farm Truck Friday. It's okay. Orderly, I forgot to say, if you like this video, share it out. Share it on Facebook, on the Twitter, on the Googles, on the community tab, on the YouTube. Leave a thumbs up on the video. If you like the content, go and hit the subscription button. Leave me a genuine comment about the video. Leave a thumbs up. Hit that red button, the YouTube button. And the big notification bell. Hit that and turn it all gray so you get all of this wonderful muchas gracias calentente. Yay! Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome, all you mukbangers. Come on to Senior Finley Farm Truck Friday. I like to look at my hat. My hat look very pretty in the camera. I don't believe I like the chicken. They sheep me on it. I don't got too much chicken, nothing. But what do you expect? When you go to the white people's place to try to make the tacos? Yes, I'm being stereotypical. You don't want to go to a Chinese food and see people from Germany or Poland or Alaska. You want to see Chinese people when you go to a Chinese buffet. When you get at tacos, you want to see Mexicanos, Hispanic or something. Someone south of the border of Texas. I don't know. I'm going to get a little sip. That is only Diet Dr. Pepper, y'all. I got 3 more tacos. The Diablo sauce is mucho caliente. Yes, it is. The puri heat make me think I like in my country. It's pretty good. The crunchy tacos, the beef. Oh, Jess, it's pretty good. I gotta tell you one more time. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Right here, you seen Finley do his thing with his tacos. Got his taco hat on, y'all. Y'all see that? How does it look? Does it look like much better? I should have wore it like this in the first place. It's not a disgrace to go around walking with a taco hat. No, no, no. One day I'm going to go into Walmart. I'm going to wear it just like this. I'm going to say, comment, stick. That's how you grow, y'all. Here on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while I smash this taco. It ain't nachos. Peace. Go out here.